Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2019 Chevy 2500 HD with 64,717 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a royal utility body, a forklift loadable materials rack, Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, top opening boxes, a receiver hitch, a factory trailer brake controller, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.